Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself Arvind GS. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Department of Basic Science. Name Arvind GS. Branch CSEI. Section Infinity. Subject Introduction to Civil Engineering. And topic Asymmetrical Plane Surfaces. Today I am going to explain about how the centroids asymmetrical plane figures about how to find the centroid of the asymmetrical plane figures. Here we have to see the diagram. In this diagram we have four components like rectangle, triangle, semicircle and circle. We have to find the centroid of this diagram or this object, anything you can take. We have to make four components. How many components there is diagram? In this diagram we have four components. That is three components are shaded, but one circle is not shaded. We have to take four components like rectangle, triangle, circle and semicircle. At firstly we have to see the rectangle of where breadth 120 and height 100 meter. A second component is triangle, which is 100 meter far from x-axis and which has breadth 120 meter and height 60 meter. Third component is semicircle, which is far from the y-axis 120 meter far from y-axis. Its radius is 50. We can see here diameter is 100 means the radius is 50 meter. So we have to see fourth component. Here they given a radius as 10-20 centimeter. That is far 50 meter from x-axis and 60 meter from y-axis. This is going to minus in the problem. Here we have to see how to do problem in this. Firstly we have to take the rectangle. In this rectangle here we have to see, but firstly we have to find area of the rectangle, centroidal distance from x-axis, moment of x-axis, that is ay, and also finding things. Here firstly we have to see the rectangle. The area of a rectangle formula is b into d, means breadth into depth. Breadth, here we can see in the diagram, breadth is 120 and depth is 100. Here we got a area, but now we have to find the centroidal distance from x-axis. X-axis from x-axis to centroidal distance we have some formula, that is d by 2. Here d is 100 and by 2 is 50 millimeter. By getting moment of in area of x-axis we have to multiply the area and centroidal distance. Here 2000 into 50 we got 6 lakh. And also finding the centroidal distance of about y-axis, that is y-axis means we have to do, we take 120 means breadth taken 120 by 2, we get centroidal distance from y-axis, that is 60 millimeter. Moment of inertia from y-axis means we have to multiplying the area and the centroidal distance from y-axis, we get this. Now second component we have taking that triangle. The area of a triangle is half into base into height, that is half into breadth. E means breadth is 120 and height is 60. That is area of a triangle only find we are. Now we have come to centroidal distance from x-axis. X-axis means downside. Down to triangle we have distance of 120 millimeter. 100 millimeter, yeah, 100 millimeter. And we have to centroidal distance from x-axis. I have one formula like h by 3. 100 plus h by 3 we got 120 mm. And we have to, for getting a moment of x-axis, moment of area, we have to find area into centroidal distance. Is this we got that 43,200. For also finding the centroidal axis from y-axis, we have formula like b by 3, because there is no any distance between triangle and y-axis. They are merged. We have to do that 120 divided by 3, that's we get 40 mm. And from getting moment of area of y-axis, we have multiplied area into centroidal distance from y-axis, that we get. And third component is semicircle. Semicircle, here we have formula area of semicircle. Here we have area of circle means pi r square by 4. Here we have semicircle means that of pi r square by 2. Pi r square by 2. Here r diameter, they have given diameter 100 millimeter. Diameter means r by 2. D is equals to r by 2. Then r is r is equals to d by 2. Yeah, r is equals to d by 2. Then r value is 50 millimeter. R, then pi r square by 2, we can get 39 3026 point something. And r centroidal distance from x-axis, there is no other distances from x-axis, that is merged. We have one formula like 4r pi, 4r divided by 3 pi. R value is 50, 4r divided by 3 pi, we get 60 mm. And by multiplying area of circle and centroidal axis, we get moment of area of x-axis, that is. Also coming to the y-axis, centroidal distance from y-axis, we have some 120 millimeter apart from the y-axis, because we have to add this for this equation. 120 plus 4r divided by 3 pi, we get something. And moment of inertia, moment of area of y-axis, we have moment of area of y-axis. In this we have to do also same like area into central distance from y-axis, we get some 5.456, that thing. For finding, we have last component is circle. It is not shaded because we have to subtract these values from that values. Here area of a circle is pi r square. Pi r square, yeah, pi r square. Do it 120.6 from centroidal distance from x-axis, that is 50 millimeter. We have to multiplying the area and centroidal distance from x-axis, we get minus 6283.1 something. And if we have a centroidal distance from y-axis, that is 60 mm, and we have to substitute it multiplied with area, we get something. For all these rings we have to add the areas, we get summation of some 18.7309. And also we have summation of ay 11 lakh something, and the summation of ax we get. We have 4 digits like now. Here we have summation of a is 18,270.39 mm, and summation of AX is 1,34,000. 13 lakhs something something. It's have more large. Find x dash and y dash. X dash is equals to summation of AX divided by summation of A, and y dash is equals to x summation of AY divided by summation of A. Here we have finding from calculating, we get 73.52 mm as y bar, and x bar, y bar is equals to 33.79 mm. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. See you. Take care.